Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to watch Hulu for free outside the USA. So if you've seen videos claiming that there's a secret trick that lets anyone watch Hulu anywhere in the world for free, then here's the reality. There isn't a legitimate way to access Hulu subscription content for free outside the United States. Hulu is primarily available to users in the USA, and an active Hulu subscription is required to watch its movie and TV shows. So you need to be cautious of websites or apps claiming to provide free Hulu accounts or unlimited access, because many are scams that can steal your personal information or install malware. And if you're traveling temporarily and already have an active Hulu subscription, then you should check Hulu's official support pages to understand what content is available based on your location. And if Hulu officially expands to your country in the future, then you'll be able to subscribe directly through the Hulu website or the app. So that was the truth about watching Hulu for free outside the USA. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.